Oh my gosh, it's super windy out here. It's very windy. I'll go out and you'll just hear all the wind gusts. Not a little anything. Okay, I'm gonna go out here. Might be a lot of wind gusts. Wind is crazy. That's crazy. Whoa. Oh, dust. Even my eyes. Whoa. Oh, what was that? Oh my goodness! What's going on with all those? It looks like a tornado of leaves. Oh, this is crazy. This trees are going crazy right there. Oh, look, everything's going crazy. Oh, this is so crazy. Oh, I haven't seen a wind like this in Phoenix for a while. Said we got up to 30, up to 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts today. And that is crazy for Phoenix. I just had to show you. It's not a storm, but it's pretty strong winds. The wind gust's coming. Oh, yes, it is. Whoa! It's looking like a tornado again. Oh, this is crazy. There's so much wind. So crazy. I haven't seen this in a while. This is nothing. Okay, I hear another one just is popping up. Whoa! Whoa! This one here this morning too. We stopped for a while, and then I came back around lunchtime. I would say I came back about lunchtime. Back about lunchtime, and then from there it just got stronger. And now here's afternoon, and it's just crazy. It blew away a whole board. It's so crazy. It blew away so much stuff. so good. You get wind so strong ever. So happy to record this. Ugh. I'm sad to come outside. I'm probably gonna be out here for a while. Just to cook something. Guys, cook something for a second. Just a quick check. Okay, now I'll do these in the window. Whoa! 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 What's this one? Where is it? So windy. How's our little wind chime not blown away? For real. Wind is gonna take a while to calm down. Let's start it somehow. You know. Oh, look over there. Oh, here it comes. Stopping, I knew something was going to happen. Oh! Well, that's the end of the video. Bye. Bye, this is crazy.